Hello, hello, hello. Um, I am a little bit under the weather, that's why the stream's starting a little bit later. Uh, I have taken some trades already. Here's a disclaimer. So far, we're up $200 um, on CNTX and Hills, and I'm in both their halts up with some small positions. FOXO is looking a little bit like it wants to break. Watching break of 30. It's 32. 31, watch 32. Watching 32 now, break a high day. Adding for break of 32. Cutting it. Again, my apologies for starting the stream late. I'm just a little bit under the weather. Good morning, Jonathan. I won't be talking as much today because I'm trying to get better as fast as possible. Resumption should be at 37.59. Watching break at 32 here. Adding at 29. Taking it off. Okay, I'm going to look at the resumption here on CNTX as well as Hills. Hills resumes at 39.41. So watching resumption here, you want to see 150. Resumption in 15 seconds. Took some off at 55, watching for an add back in. Back in there for the break of high day. Watching 55, cutting it. And at 48. Now I have to cut it, it's going down. Weak resumption there, lost money on the resumption. It's halting down. Looks like it's getting locked in. 1 minute to resumption on Hills. Okay, so resumption about 40 seconds. Watching break of 29 on Foxo. There's 33. 20 seconds to resumption. There we go. Wow, look at that resumption on Hills. Smoked on it. So both those resumptions were weak. Sucks. Watching 37 here on Fox, so cutting it. Fire at 33. Gonna hop back in as the buyer holds. Watching break a high a day, 38, 40, and Foxo. At 36 on Foxo. High at 55 there. Yeah, it looks like it's false breaking. And at 49, 50, 50. Watching break of 52. Is 48 gonna hold? 48 breaking out of 46. Okay. Watching break of 40 here. Out at 36, 37. Buying the dip there at 31. Watching for a bounce up. Gonna hop out. I don't feel like it's going. Hills in at 51. Watching break at 55. There's 8, 9. Watching hills through 60. Right at 56. Watching through 60 here. Putting the rest of it at 59. Watch 65, 70, out at 65. Back in 64. Watching break at 65. It's like we're hitting a halt level here at 66. Gonna cut it at 66. I don't want to be in this halt because last time it screwed with me. At 69. Watching break of the next halt level. Should lock in soon. Nope. Out at 55. Well, there goes the whole profit on that thing. Break a 70 here. Or 72. Watch it get locked in here. 3. All levels at 72. Do I hold into this now? It's not holding. Cutting out. High day is 77. At 74 for the next halt level up. Watch it break 75. There's 77, 76, and it's taking the profit off at 76. Try buying a dip there at 66, no fill. Watching a dip here. 63. Below 60 or 61. Break of 40 here on Foxo. It got through the cellar but didn't break. 1 second here. Watching 40. Not at 40. Pretty break even trade. At 38. Cut it at 37. Watching break of 40 on sober. High day 45. It's 42. Took some off at 41. Watching break up high day here. $41 by 39. Buyers at 38. Back in at 41. Or it's 40. Watching break of 44, 45, and high day. Watch 44 here. 45. 6, 7, 8, 9. See if we get a halt up soon. Taking some off at 49. Putting the rest of it at 43. Back in at 45, watching for a break of higher day. Think I might actually hop back out. Wait. Wait just a second here. Yeah, hopping back out at 40, 43. Break a higher day, 50. Watching 50 here. Cutting it. Starter at 46, sober. There's 50, watch break at 50. There's 54. Not the rest of 52. Back in for high a day. Selling pressure coming in. So short-lived breakout. Starter 59 on hills. Watching 67. 65. Add at 64. Watching break at 65. Higher at 60. Out at 57. I got wicked out. And at 62. Watching break at 65 here. Watching the break. Volume going into the 65 level. Watching 65 break. There's 66, 7. Watching this through 70. There we go, there's 72, 73. 72, 73 on the ask. 77. Hit high day for a moment there, 77. Add back at 74, watching 77. Watching 80, there's 80. High day break there. 77. Order out at 82 to take profits. Cutting at 72. I don't like that candle anymore. GFAI going. Watching GFAI through 31. Cutting GFAI. In there 78. Watching break of 80 on hills. Watching break of 80 on hills. Having to cut it. And at 76. Watching 80. Adding at 69. Now it's going lower. Out at 69. Watching 32. GFAI. Big seller at 32. Okay, getting out here before the big seller. Went right through that big seller, so let's see if it pops up to 33 here. 32.50. Watching 32, back over 32. Out at 30, whatever. We've just been chopping around plus 100, minus 100 all day. And at 33 on this dip on Fox, so trying to build a position down here at 31 on GFA. Fine. Mm, no. Getting out at 30. Big sellers coming in. Oh, good call out. MSGM flying up. And there, break of 40. There we go. Tip trade 33, 32. Watching 40 break. Watching break of 40. There's 42. It's a good dip. Watching break go back over 40. Watching break back over 30. There's 31. This candle opened at 33. $28 on the ask. 37, 40, 52, 90. Look at that. Outmost my position at 90. Watching break over 890. There's 80. Back in some at 80. Watching this back over 90 and break of $9. Taking some off at 91. Watching 95, 6. There's 9. 930, 920. There we go. Back in here 910. Cutting it. Back in here 910. Bad fill. Wanted to be in at 9. Are we gonna get back over 9? Watching back over 910, 920. Adding at 918. Looking for the break of 920, 930. There's 930, 940. Got out at 919 and 816. So bad fills here on those exits. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that trade. Getting bad fills, it's getting too whippy right now. It's too whippy. Great call out, Dolce. Great call out. I barely saw it on the side of my monitor on the other screen. But I just, yeah, it's a great call out. Watching 920 here. Smaller size. Adding for break of 920. Cutting at 912. Where's the low of this range? 870. Okay, back in at 902 here. Adding at 912, watching break of 20 here. Break of 20, there's 25, 30, 38. Took some up at 34, 47, watching 50 here. Out the rest at 21. Adding back for the break of 50 at 37. Oh, back down. Look at that. So those trades canceled each other out. Okay. I was in 400 shares, right? 400? Yeah, but it was like a 50-cent loss, I guess. It's a huge spread. I should just stay to 200 shares. about that. We're at 42 on hyper, watching break back over 50. Watching a break of 50 here on hyper. There's 53. Took some off at 53. Now watching 54, 55. Looking for the next halt up. Taking some off at 58, 60. There's 63. Out the rest at 62. Back in 63, watching 70. Should hit a halt up soon here. 70, 72. Got some sell orders out. Second here, pulling back. Buying 57 here. Watching this back over 60. Back over 60 here on HYPR. 60, 56, 57. There's 58. Watching 60 here. Adding at 60, looking at this over 63, 66. There's 63. Can we get 66 here? There's 64, there's 67. Took some off at 67, watching break a 70 here. There's 70, watching 72. Took some off at 72, watching the rest for 74, 75. 77. Watching 80 now. Oh, cutting the rest of it at 67. HYPR came directly off my high-a-day scanner, so if you're wondering how I found this one, only reason I got in is because this candle had 1,000,000 shares of volume, and so I knew it was okay to trade it. It has volume. People are watching it. Okay, watching here, maybe back over 70. In there 66. Watching 68, 70. In there 65. Seller at 65. Back over it. Cutting at 60. Watching this back over 68. Watching 65. Hyper. Out at 57, got a bad fill there, I think. Back in, smaller size. Adding back, 60. Cutting it. And there's 65, watching now, break, high a day. There's 68, we should see a curl through 70 here. There's 70. Watching 70 break. We don't like seeing that. I gotta get out, 56. So unfortunately that one's kinda dying. We gave back like 400 on this stock. We were up 500 something on it. Ay ay ay. This back over 920. Watching 920 here on MSGM. There's 15, out some at 14. Watching 20. Watching 30s on MSGM. Cutting the trade at 13. I gotta fill in the ask. Damn it. So with that bottoming wick, we're okay to add at 920. Add there at 20, watching this through 30. Took off half at 30, watching 40 and 50 now. There's 40, added at 40, watching 45, 50, there's 70, 83. Got filled at 71 on my exit. Back in 77, watching 90, watching the break of 10 here. Add there at 87, watching break of 90, and high day break here. Adding back as well at 980. Watching 990, break of 10 here. Break of 20. Okay, out at 1001 and 1006. Watching 30. There's 30, watch 40. There's 48, 1048. Took some off at 41. Adding back for break of 50. Out at 78. At 74. Okay. 1132 is high day. 1090. Getting out break even here. I don't feel comfortable holding it right here. Back in 11, watching break a high day. 1130. Watching 1112, 1130 here. Adding for 1120, 1130 break. Watching this over 1110. Watching 1120. This candle's going green. Watching 1140. There's 1150. 1170. There's 1170. There's 1190. 12. Out at 1211. Looks like we're hitting the halt up here. Watching the dip off the halt. It's getting locked in. There we go. It's locked in. I expect the volatility to decrease as the halt resumes. I don't know. I just feel like it will. MSGM has a daily level at 1443. I'll mark that out. It's kind of insane how it went from 9 all the way to 1240 with no pullback. No 1 minute pullback. So on resumption, I'll probably be watching for a dip and rip. But each of these candles is like $1 long. 80 cents. $1. 70 cents. So these are all really large candles, so I expect the red candles to also be large, if not double the amount, if it starts flushing. So with 100 shares, I expect to lose $200, probably. In like a worst case scenario, uh, like let's say I buy the dip and it continues down and it halts down. So with 100 shares, I'm looking to lose 200. I kind of biffed HYPR. It's unfortunately. I was up 500 on it. Gave it back on this false breakout. This false breakout. It's strange how I'm up this much on a $10, $11 stock. My go-tos are below $2. Yeah, below $2 stocks today I'm actually kind of red on. $30 to resumption. Watching 15 seconds. 1243 is the halt level. 5 seconds. There's 13. Do we get a pullback? No pullback. And here for the micro pullback, watching break over 14. Watching a break over 14 here. And they're 1307. Cutting the trade. Ah, break even. And then there it goes. 1410, 1420. Watching over 14. 1420, there's 1430. 1440. 1470. Got some out at 1453. There's 16. Oh my. Add there at 1602. Taking some off at 1636. Just took $1 a share loss on those 100 shares. And at 26, 1426 on that dip. Watching back over 15. And at 1474, watching back over 15 here. 1490. If we can get back over 15 here, that'd be amazing. Waiting. 1464. Cutting at 1420. Hyper starting to go. Watching back over 60. Out at 78. Or 58, my bad. Okay, started there as this candle starts to go green. 1457. Watching 1457. There's 1480. There's 15, back over 15. 1520. Back in at 1490, watching 15 here, 1520. Watching 1520. Cutting at 1440. Watching 63 on hyper, pivot level. Watching 64, 65. Pivot on this pivot. Then next level is 70. I cut it at 60. Watching back over 15 on MSGM. Is it a false breakout? Wait just a second. False breakout. Again, sorry guys for not participating in chat that much. I am under the weather. I'm trying to recover as fast as possible, so I'm trying to limit the talking. 15.15. Starter at 65. Adding at 15 or for 1488. No, I gotta cut it. It's kind of hard to get a read on now. It's bouncing between 60 cents. It's kind of hard to see if it wants to go up or down. Okay, I'll start her here. Cutting that trade, I don't feel like it. I just don't know. I guess I just don't know. Oh, and there it goes. In at 85. Watching it through 16, there's 1670. Wow, there it goes. And at 1727. Watching 1770. Halt at 1769. Gonna sell into the halt. Well, that trade I just made back the money I lost through the chop. So, we're still not back at higher days, I don't think. Alright, so resumption should be at 5302. Last time it halted. Last time it halted, it resumed higher. So I guess I didn't have to sell the whole thing, but eh. Yeah, I guess I didn't have to sell the whole position. I could have sold like 80% of it. So this is a pretty insane move for. And this is the leading gapper, right? I believe it's the leading gapper. Jonathan, about the market orders, I use the market orders to buy because the way that TD Ameritrade does their order routing, I feel like if I just bought the ask, I would miss half my trades because I'm buying just before it breaks key levels, and sometimes those breaks happen um, as my order is getting filled, and so I experimented with buying the ask on smaller size back when I was on smaller size, and it seems like buying market I get better fills. And sometimes I get an occasional fill that's really high, and sometimes I get a fill that's really low. So it all kind of balances out. But I figure buying market, at least I'm getting into the trade when I want to get in. Whereas buying at the ask, I'll miss my entry half the time. And that's just, it's kind of a broker specific thing because back when I was with Trade Zero, I'm pretty sure I bought the ask because I had hotkeys to buy the ask and buy the bid. And then my sell orders, I'm using the hotkeys to sell the ask and sell market. So on MSGM, I was selling the ask there. Actually, no, I was selling market as it popped. I'm pretty sure, but I did get a nice fill here. Look at this, right here, from yeah, that was a market trade, market order. Um, I got, I bought, at 1687, and then 1 second later sold my whole position at 1780. So the stock went up $1 in 1 second. Yeah, Ganesk, that's exactly right. So, with the limit orders, sometimes you miss the trade, and then market orders, you're at least getting into the trade, but sometimes you're getting in high. So, there's pros and cons to both of them. If you only want to get in exactly at the price where you want to get in, then limit orders are your friend. And if you don't mind if you get 1, 2 cents of slippage, just as long as you get into the trade, then market orders are your friend. I mean, if you're early enough, market orders don't have any slippage because as long as you're in before the breakout, then I guess you don't have slippage. MGAM popping up. That's nice too. And at 66 on MGAM, watching 70, watching 66, 67, looking at this for break of 70 here, adding, watching 69, 70, popping out, it's not going, out at 62. MGAM, resumption, pretty weak resumption, we'll see. There it goes, okay. Watching break over 19. Okay. Small scalp there. 1927. Ah. There's 21. Wow, wow. 1 second here. Watching 20. There's 22, 23. 22.57. Looks like it's halting up right here. Selling 60 shares into the halt. 70 on MJM. Watching 72, 73. Got some out at 72, but the spread opened up, so now I gotta try and hop out on the ask. Now I gotta take it on the bid. Unfortunately, the spread opened up on MGAM when the breakout occurred. So the spread opened up on me on MGAM, caught a nice, or not nice, but pretty bad loss there. 8 cent loss on half my position and 4-cent gains. Actually, it's not that bad of a loss. Only $40 loss. Where did I catch a loss? Why is my P&L so low? 1 second here. Let me figure this out. Was I always that low? I thought I was at like 1400. Oh, I guess never mind. Yeah, I was at 1400. For a second I was thinking I was at 1600 and I was like, where did $200 go? But they're still there. I was only at 1400, I think. Cuz I lost 40 here, made 50 here. Let's see, this one, break even, small win. This was a loss right here. This was a big loss. I think that's what was it. Wait a second, I think that is correct. Let's see here. 7 plus 0.66. Divided by 3.66 average plus 1. So we were in at 166 with 3,000 shares. Minus 1.6. Okay, took a 4-cent loss on 3,000 shares. Okay, there. So that was the big loss, 128. Okay. Oh wow, a lot of viewers today. Um, yeah, so let's see here. 2250. Does this thing have any other resistance that I should be aware of? 2250. No, it's broken all those, and then any other daily resistance is kind of negligible because there's no volume back there. It has a high of 4690. 4690 is the high all time, I think. Or at least in the past year. Gonna put share size at 80 shares. Or should I go 50? Hmm. Let's see here. I'm gonna actually reduce size even more. Actually, yeah, I'll go 60 shares. Let me go ahead and actually, when are we resuming? We're resuming in 20 seconds. Wait just 1 second here. Okay. Let me just do this for a second so I can have these little buttons instead of the bigger buttons. Okay, resumption here. Nice resumption there. Look at that all the way up to 625, 26, 27. There's no way to get in. Tried buying the dip there, 25.60, no fill. And there, 26.50. Watching this over 27. Oh, that's the halt up, my bad. Oh god. Took a big loss there. Man. Okay, 1 second here. It's recovering, which is good. Watch 2760 here. Watch 2760. Add at 25. Watching 25 here. 2540. Can we get 26 here? 26. 26 here. There's 26. Can we get 27? 27. Okay, watching 26. This candle's closing soon. Okay, watching 25, 26. Watching 26 break, 2650. Watching 26. $26.04. Watching 26 break. First 1 minute count to make a new high. We'll watch 27. Watching 27 here. $25.50. Watching 26 here. 25, 24. Watching 26 here. Hitting 25.80 there. 15 seconds left in the candle. 25.70. Watch 26. Cutting the trade at 25.10. $22.60 in. Watching 23. Gonna go ahead and cut it again. Alright, think I'm gonna cut the day there. Unless we bounce back up to 25. Gave back 500. 500 off the top. Bouncing back up. I don't like this. Okay, back in for a break of 25, 26. Watching 25, 50. Watching 25, 50, 25, 60 here. If it breaks 26, we should see a nice pop through high day. Cutting it. Yeah, there's a lot of opportunity on MSGM, but I am getting chopped out. I don't know if I should continue. Nice job. Nice job, Fat GQ. Phase is popping up. Lower volume. Watching 37.70, 38 on Acon. We traded this one last week. Watching 38. Taking it off the table. $37.70. Watching 39 on Acon. Watch 40. Watching 39.40. Watching 40 here. Seller at 39.40. Seller at 39. Watching 39 Acon. $39, seller there at 39. The breaking. Watch 39.40. Watching 40 here. Break of 39.40 up to 40. There's 50. There's 40. Okay, watching break of 40, 41. Watching 41 here. Taking some off on that break. Watching now 42. Gonna take some more off. Break even trade there. Would really appreciate if this didn't close as a red candle. Looks like it's a doji candle. It's better than red, but it's still a topping wick. Watching 40 on Acon. There's 41. Can we get breakthrough 41 here? There we go. Watching the break of 41. 40, 80. Buyers at 40. Watching 41 break. Watching 41 here. Getting out of it. 40, 50 average. At 38 to 30 there. Nice fill. Okay, watching 40. Buyer at 39.14. Added at 39.20. Watching 40 now. Piling in at 39.80. Watching 40. Looking for an add at 40. Adding at 40. Now watching 41 for the pop. Watching 41 here. You see some volume come in for my exit. Watching 41. There's 40.70. Watching the volume pick up at 41. Okay, watching for an exit. There's 41.50, 41.70. Taking some off there on that break. Taking the rest off. Okay, watching 41 now. Small loss there. Starter there, 40.36. Seller's coming in at 40, cutting the trade. Okay, we're kind of reaching our order limit. We're at 370 right now. Watching this dip on Acon. Getting filled at 38.35. Another fill at 30 into 740. Average is 38. Watching that seller at 38. Add at 37. Okay, watching 38 here. There's 38. Can we get back above 38? 38 on the ask. Seller at 38. See if we can buy it up. Watching that seller. Adding. Looks like it's coming down. Cutting the trade. Break even trade. Now watching 38 again for the break. Watching 38.70. $38.70 on the ask. $38.40. Took some off for a small gain. Taking off the rest. Bought the dip there, 36.50. Watching 37. No, I'm gonna hop out of that one. That pop on MGIM was a break of the 5-minute candle, and it's popping down. That might be the end of the move. Watching 4088 here on phase. Watching that 88 seller. There's 8880. Watching break a 989 and 90. Adding for the break at 89, 90. Taking some off at 50, 88, 88.50. There's 89, there's 90. Fortunately, I didn't have my position when that break happened. I had already sold most of my position. I'm gonna go ahead and put Acon on this screen. Looking at 91 on phase. Now I'm gonna cut that seller at 90 or 91. Looks like we have B-Bay popping up. There it goes. '91, watch 97. Out at 93. And at 87, watch 90. Sellers at 85. They're bought through. Watch a 90 here. There's 88. Cutting at break even. At 92 on eBay. Watching 94, 97. Out for just 1 cent profit. Watching 91 on phase. There's 92. There's 93. Taking us off at 92.80. Watching 93 on phase. Look at that SMGM move. Nice move on SMGM. At 30.60 there. Watching 34 phase. I can't sell the ask unless I'm selling into the breakout. Watching 45 or 95. And then B-Bay is also going. Watch 96. Nice move on B-Bay as well. Well, nice move. Cutting the trade on phase, looking at B-Bay here. Watching 430, watching 430. There's 27. Watching 430. There's 8, 9. Cutting the trade at 27. So it went without me pretty much. We'll have to watch for a dip to low 20s or high teens. Or maybe I should just focus on phase here. I'm doing good on it. Okay, got a nice fill on phase. Watching 97. Don't like the dip down to 95. All the way down to 93. Buying the dip there at 93. And at 93.60. 94 on the ask. Waiting for a pop through 94. $94 on the ask. Bid is coming up to 93. Getting out of the trade there. Focusing on B-Bay. Watching 30 break. There's 32. No fill at 32. Watch 32 break this time. There's 34. Out at 34. There's 45. And at 37, watching 40. There's 37, watch 40 here. High was 45. No, cutting it. Okay, break even trade on phase there. We need some more volume coming into it in order for me to trust the pop. Watching 95 now. 95.50. There's 96.50. Watching this through 97. There's 97.37. Watching 97.37, 90.98. Can we get this towards 1? If we can get the break of $1, that'd be amazing. Watching this through 98. Watching 98 here. There's 98, 99. Can we get the break of 1 here? Break of 1. Very key break here. Watching, loading up for the break of 1. Watching 99 here. Watching the break of $1. $98 on the ask. Watch 98, 99. Batting at 98. Watching 99 here. There's 98.40. 99. Watching this break of 1. You just see that volume increasing. There's 1. There's 1. Break of 1 here. Break of 1. Watch 101, 102. Cutting the whole thing at 99, 98. Now watching back for 101. Watching 1 here. There's 101. 103. Out at 101. Back in 102. Watching 103. Now I'm gonna hop out. And at 102. Watching 103. Watching the break towards 105. Big buyers at 102. Adding at 103. Watching 104.5. Watching 105 here. Big buyers at 103, 102. Adding at 103, watching 104 break. Nope. Big sellers came in out at 102.50. Big dip down. Back over one there. Sellers at 99. Watching the sellers at 99 for an ad. Looking at this back over one. Watching one break. Watching for 101. Out there at one. Starter 102. Watching the move through high a day. Watch 103, 104. There's 105 on the ask. Waiting for the bid to come up. There's 102 on the bid. 3 on the bid. Watching that break at 94 or 104. There's 105. There's 4 on the bid. Taking some off at 4. There's 6 on the ask. Taking it off at 350. Watching the seller at 106. Getting in there at 106. Watching that seller. Popping out at 103. Looks like MGIM is also way up. Didn't even see it was moving. But I'm down on it though. Hmm. Watching break of 30, MGAM. There's 32. There's 35, 36. Can we get 36, 7? Out there at 37. There's 50. Back in there at 43. Watching 50 now. Watching 43. Sellers at 43. They're stacking up. Adding at 42. Watching 44, 45. Watching this break of 50 here. There's 46, 49. Taking some off at 49. Now watching break of 50. Taking some more off at 44. Play it safe. And look for an add back at 50. I guess I took the whole thing off, my bad. An add back there at 38. Oh, cutting it. Oh, I got filled at 31. Watching 107 on phase. Looking for 108, 110. Watch 107 break. There's 108. Can we get 9, 10? Looking for the extension here. There's 9. Trying to take some off at 9. Nope. Back down to 104, 103. There's 106. Sellers at 106. Watching how we react to that seller at 106. Watching 104. Out of it at 103. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and call it there, I think. Pretty sure I'm over trading. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna call it there. Up 1900. Alright, great way to start the week. Yesterday and today. Thanks, Fat GQ. I'll be back tomorrow. Same time as always. Sorry I was late today. You guys missed the first couple of trades. The halt trades at the beginning. Um, yeah, I'm gonna go save my voice. Alright, peace out, I'll be back tomorrow.